Hello, my name is Courtney of Courthousecouture. I'm a lawyer, but not your lawyer. Yes, I've been practicing law in the state of Texas for 16 years. And yes, there are no perfect clients. There's been a lot of evidence that has been shared in court regarding Carmelo Anthony and the Metcalf brothers. There's been a lot of debate about what should have been brought in and what shouldn't have been brought in. Reality is that with character information, if you don't have an off-the-record agreement, like the defense counsel and prosecutors did in the Carmelo Anthony trial, character information can come in. It can definitely come in, especially in the case of the information that Edwin Pera, friend of Carmelo who invited him under the tent, had even shown Carmelo video of the Metcalfs fighting, knew the Metcalfs' propensity for violence before the incident. Yes, it has also been discussed that Carmelo Anthony had some problematic text messages, he had problematic information on his Apple Notes, and that it was alleged that his girlfriend at the time that they had broken up reported him to the school and said she was concerned about him and that he was stalking her, because there are no perfect clients and sometimes there are no perfect victims. Now, it is true, when a victim is not there to defend themselves, you got to be mindful about what evidence you bring forth. However, the veracity of the evidence against the Metcalfs really makes you wonder, why did the prosecutors push for murder over manslaughter, knowing all of the information that they did, knowing all of the data in those 53 incidents, many of which involved actual educators at the school and other students? Makes you wonder. I'm not the judge in the case. It's not for me to decide. We will see how things go. But all of this online dialogue, it needs to remain balanced, because a lot of choices could have been made here on the part of a lot of individuals, but they weren't. And the question is, why? And if that impacted Carmelo Anthony's ability to have a fair trial. That's the bottom line.